Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to download videos on TikTok. So if you want to download a video, you need to know this is an option it's an option of the owner of the video, the creator of the video, and he or she needs activate that option for you can download your video, their video. So if that person don't have that option allow, and you can download that video. But maybe I can show you another option in this case. But first, I show you how you can do that for the TikTok option. You need to go to TikTok, and here you need to go to that arrow, and like you see, you have the option of save video. You pick here, and after that, you download the video in your phone. So, but if you got a video like don't have that option, the only thing you need to do, you can recording the screen like I do right now, like me. So you can do that option if the video and don't have the option of save video on TikTok. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.